Okay, 10th graders, we're going to go over how to revise the whole paragraph. I'm going to have you guys come up and help correct the paragraph up here, and then once we go over that, I will hand you guys a paragraph that needs to be corrected, and you guys will do that independently. So, Taylor, you want to make a correction on the paragraph?
Sure.
That's correct. So you want to make sure at the beginning of every sentence you have a capital letter. All right. Chelsea, you want to make a correction? That's also correct. After every sentence, you want to have a period or some sort of punctuation. So it could be a question mark or an exclamation point. Taylor, you want to do that? Yep, so favorite was spelled wrong. Subject was spelled wrong. And then we also don't need these extra commas here.